very good morning. You're watching Morning Mantra on ET Now and I'm Chaiti Narula. Hello and welcome. This is Business Saturday and I'm Chaiti Narula. Delhi has been put on high alert. The US, UK, Canada, Australia all issuing advisories. What are the Home Ministry officials saying right now?
Well, that's right. There was one advisory issued on Wednesday by the American High Commission.
So people have been asked not to panic right now. We'll get back to you maybe a little later with more updates on the same. Shifting focus now. Earlier, we also spoke to Jaideep Khanna of Barclays Capital, and he says Bharti has a robust financial position in India and they can easily sustain their business. He also believes that Zen deal will allow Bharti to enter into higher growth markets. A very good morning. You're watching Business Monday on ET Now. I'm Chaiti Narula.
And I'm Avan Dabash.
The food inflation continues to defy gravity despite government's measures to control them. With the Greek debt crisis taking its toll on SR Energy's mega IPO on the LSE, ET Now's Ruchika Saxena says the company was forced to reprice its IPO. Welcome back. You're watching Business Saturday with me, Chaiti Narula. And yesterday, of course, on Wall Street, the Dow ended down about 162 points and the rest of the market was down roughly about 2%. That's flashing on your screens right now. There are flashes across your screen that says Delhi Circle is the most expensive one, priced at 392 crore rupees. Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu see no excess demand in the third round. Gauri, yesterday the 3G Pan-India spectrum was valued at 3,910 crore rupees. What happened today?
Thanks for that, Aisha. Emami is the first up on my radar. That stock is up by about 11%. In fact, we had the news until last week that Emami is the leading contender to buy Paras Pharma. But today, the market speculation has been cleared. Paras Pharma was on ET Now today and cleared the air and said Reckitt Beckhancer is the company that is going to be acquiring Paras Pharma. So that stock is seeing some sort of a relief rally there. This one, of course, along with other banking counters, has been battered in trade today. They have hiked the deposit rates, and there's something that we're seeing from morning. The deposit rates have been hiked by 50 to 150 basis points. And this is mainly led by shipments from Qatar and strong spot volumes that we're going to see soon. JP Morgan has acquired 49% equity stake for an investment of 74 crore rupees in the Bangalore Health subsidiary of this company.
Thank you so much, Darshan, for that Asian market check. In fact, let's shift focus now to the US markets. The first quarter GDP growth in the US was below government estimate. Well, Alan, the global markets, including the Asian markets, have reacted positively to China's decision. Now, do you think this is the much needed trigger that the markets were looking for, and this would sort of provide some sort of direction to the Asian indices, considering they're even trading in the green right now?
Well, the short answer to that is yes.
Well, Devina, that's right. The PAT is coming above estimates, up about 23-odd%. We had estimated the PAT to be about 16 to 17-odd% higher this time, but it, of course, beats street estimates and it's coming above 23%. Sales is coming up about 18%, very much in line with what we had estimated as well. The operating profit margin front, I think we're seeing a sort of a decline because right now, through the income statement, what I gather is 23.6 is the kind of margins they're working at, whereas what we had estimated was a 35.6% versus a 33.1%. So you are seeing 23.6 versus 33.1 is the current operating margin they're working with. EPS is coming at 1.61 rupees.
Two brokerages have a buy call on this one. JP Morgan with a buy target of 1,360 rupees and Motilal Oswal has a buy call with a target of 1,340 rupees. The next stock that I'm going to be talking about is XL Telecom, and XL Telecom, in fact, we had the management yesterday on the channel. That's it for now. Stay tuned right here to ET Now for the latest updates and news. I'll be back at 7 p.m. This is the show where our team at CNBC TV 18 gets you the top stories of the day in the next 30 minutes. You're watching Reporter's Diary, starting now.
My name is Chaiti Narula and I will be bringing you all the horse racing action along with the glitz and glamour live from the Mahalakshmi Racecourse.
Well, this is the day of the fillies, and this filly is, of course, very happy to be back on R1. Samir, it's an interesting day, isn't it?
Will Moonlight Romance emerge as the next Jacqueline of the country? Why is it that Richard Hughes is not riding Moonlight Romance in the upcoming Fillies trial stake? Or are we going to be seeing some sort of a surprise there coming in from Blackjack or Siachen on the finishing line of the 1,000 Guineas? Catch the Sport of the Kings this Sunday between 2:30 and 5:30 as we bring you all the action live from the Mahalakshmi racecourse.
All the owners of Moonlight Romance standing right here. Very soon we're going to be joined by Mr. Kuji Katrak as well. He's right there spending some time with the horse. Quick word in Stephen Passequa.
Can we talk a little about the pedigree of this horse? It's been bred by Placerville that passed away about 2 weeks ago.
Today, the entire racing society is coming together to fight for a cause, and that cause is cancer awareness. So the competition is clearly between Blackjack, Moonlight Romance, and we've also got Eloise and Siachen. Let's see who wins. Let's see if Suraj Naredu also ends up getting his first Indian Classic today. Jacqueline last year, this year it is the wonderfully Moonlight Romance who has won the Indian Derby.
She looks like she's in an irresistible form, and I think she's the one to watch out for.
I can see everyone is glare coordinated here. White blazer, I'm liking that. Very good choice for the races.
So Bollywood is definitely making its presence felt here at the racecourse.
And the Derby winning jockey David Allen seems to have done it again on nearness of you. If I could ask the cameraman to pan a little and show you the kind of people that I've got here with me. This is an absolute deja vu moment from the Derby.
Dr. Vijay Malia, the baron when it comes to horse racing fraternity and the corporate fraternity. How did you go about training this mare? Because she's a difficult mare to train.
Standing here outside Kuji Katrak's stable.
Ghazal Guru of the country, Jagjit Singh, this man of course needs no introduction.
A man like Samir who can carry off a hat well, or like Mohit looks very good in hats. The top hats work very well for men like Mohit and Samir who are fashionable men. There's a glare caution going right here, and I could hear all the cheers. Which one were you backing, Camacho?
Are you gaining from your father and your grandfather being in this business?
All the best to all of them and to our viewers for the next big race to come.